For today's project, I'm helping my son clean his 3D printer. He has a big project that he's doing, and he wants to make sure that the gears are all cleaned up and oiled and greased really good. Before we put the grease and the oil on the gears, we're going to clean everything really good with this alcohol. We got the 99.9% alcohol. Going to go ahead and clean everything up with it. And then we got the Kimtech wipes. The first thing I'm going to do is clean the cameras. It's nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and use this to clean the camera lenses. Just got a little bit of alcohol on here. These wipes will work great for cleaning the gears and the rods, but you don't want to clean the lenses with it. So we got the microfiber cloth. This is what you'd clean your glasses with or your computer monitor. So we're going to use this. Okay, here's the camera. This is what's going to film us doing our print. So I'm just going to clean that off. Got a little bit of alcohol on there. And then dry it off. Okay. The camera is under here. It's kind of hard to get to. This is just held on by magnets. Just be careful. There is a wire there, so you don't want it to fall, but you can just set it there. And then you take your alcohol and you can clean that lens down there. I can't. So I'm just going to put a little bit of alcohol on here. Just enough to get it on there. I'm not going to overdo it. All right, I got my 3D printer all cleaned up, and this 99.9% isopropyl alcohol really helped. Yeah, this stuff's pretty nice.